Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video we have another interesting question for you. The questions from Quantitative Aptitude and the topic being simple interest. Okay, so this is a very unique kind of a questions pertaining to simple interest itself. So basically we'll be discussing a very interesting concept as far as solving this kind of solution in simple interest as well. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be focusing on this question. This is a very frequent kind of question in examinations like GMAT and GRE. Okay, so we have come across this sort of questions multiple times in this examination. So we'll take a look at the approach of the same, and subsequently we'll try and solve the same, so that whenever we come across a question such as this further down the line, we are well versed with the approach of the same. Okay, now having said that, let us just simply focus on the question here. A certain sum is lent at a certain rate of interest per annum. Under simple interest, it becomes 1.375 times itself in 3 years. Okay. After how many years will the total interest occur be equal to twice the sum? Okay. Now we know in case of simple interest, amount is nothing but principal plus simple interest. Okay. Now it is said that the amount becomes 1.375 times itself in 3 years, that is it becomes 1.375. okay, p. So here principal will remain constant in case of simple interest because principal does not change, but simple interest in this regards will have to become 0.375 p. okay, so until and unless the simple interest attains this particular amount, we cannot have this amount. Okay, so for the amount to be 1.375 times the principal, the simple has to be 0.375 times the principal. Okay, so this is what the principal has to be. So from this particular relation, we can draw out that simple interest becomes 0.375 p in how many years? 3 years. In 3 years. Okay, now we need the amount to be twice, that is we need amount equal to twice p. So therefore twice p will be p plus si. Okay, so in this regard simple interest will have to be equal to principal. Okay, so therefore simple interest will becomes equal to the principal in 3 by 0.375 years. Okay, so if we calculate the same, it would come out to be, was given total interest occurred. Okay, sorry, simple interest will have to be twice p. Okay, sorry, my bad. Total interest occurred will become twice the sum. Okay, so 2 into this much. Okay, so this has to be twice p, my bad. So if we calculate the same, this comes out to be 16 years. That is option C is the correct answer. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. It was a fairly straightforward kind of a question. All we had to do was just draw out a relation and subsequently solve the same. That was more than enough to just give you solve this question. Okay, now if you're looking for detailed solution of the similar set of questions of the entire section of the papers, be it your verbal section, logical reasoning, or the quant section, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all these regards. Okay, so with all this said, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.